Hey Plant Pals, it's Mike the Gardener, and today's video is on what I'm doing with this dehydrator. It's a brand new dehydrator. I just got it, cleaned out the racks, chopped up a bunch of onions, and that's what I'm dehydrating. It's been about 3 hours, 4 hours. They've got a ways to go. But yeah, I will be back and show you what I'm doing with them. Hopefully I can make some good onion powder with them. We'll see. Never dehydrated before. It's my first time. I'm excited to try it. We shall see. Alright. Okay, it's been 12 hours or so. Not sure if they're completely dry. I'm not sure how great this dehydrator is. It's been 12 hours, and I had it on the highest setting, and some of it still feels a little bit rubbery, but we'll work with what we got. So what I have the bright idea is I'm going to take it out of here. I'm going to put it into my blender here, and I'm going to strain whatever parts aren't quite dehydrated through there, and I'll just use whatever's left that's not quite totally dehydrated. I'll use that for an omelet or something. So hopefully that works. We'll see. All right. I'm going to put everything into the blender here and give it a whirl. Literally. Be right back. All right, I got everything in the the blender, and give it a blend. Turn that power on. See, give it a pulse. It's gonna be loud. Alright. Put that off here. Yeah, I'm not sure how this is going to turn out. We'll see. Take the blade out. Looks wet. I dehydrated this for 12 hours. Oh, well, more than 12 hours. Well, like all things, it's an experiment. Whew, strong. Whew, my eyes. I hate when I try to do peppers. Alright, well, be right back. Well, I'm going to call that a fail. This was a failure. It just made mush. I might have some dehydrator sheets somewhere, so I can like put this flat on the sheet and then try to dehydrate this little bit some more, because otherwise it'll just fall right through. We'll see. The experiment continues. Okay, I have a silicone mat in here. Everything's been super finely shredded and put on the silicone mat, the hydrator mat. I got the thing on high. We'll see. I'll give it another however many hours until it's actually dry, and then try it again. Well, it's kind of fun. Learning something, but yeah, this dehydrator stinks. That thing's been going on high for like 16 hours, and those onions were they're tiny onions and very small chopped, and it didn't dehydrate them. So there's no instructions came with it, so could be user error. I mean, I don't know. We'll see. Alright, I will be back in however many hours it takes to maybe dry this stuff. Alright. Okay, I dehydrated it for another, I don't know, 5 hours or so. Super finely minced. And I'm going to try to grind this up now. Pretty good. Much more powdered. Alright, I'm going to give it some more pulses, and then I will dump it through the sifter. Alright, and this is the final result. I guess it's kind of a success. Put it back there. Got a decent amount of onion powder. I could grind it finer in a food processor if I wanted to, but I kind of like it this way. So I'll put this on roasting chicken and other things like that. Or I'll just put it in my, even better yet, I'll put it in my my rib rub. And yeah, and next thing I'm doing is I'm dehydrating these little peppers here, and see how they turn out. And probably add that to the same rub. So, cool. So it wasn't a total failure, but, you know, something to learn. Okay, actually, here's the final result. This is the rib rub that I made. So it's got all kinds of herbs and spices in it. I put it in a rib rub jar I bought from the store that I used long ago, and I replaced it with my own rub, and it works great. It's got the it's got the spoon and the flip top lid for shaking it on stuff. I put this on everything. I put it on eggs and steak and everything, and ribs, of course. But yeah, that's my kind of my universal rub. All right. Any questions, comments? Leave it in the comment section. And please like and subscribe.